Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left side we have the 70mm dash cam M300, and on the right side we have the Galphi 3-channel dash cam. Get ready for some epic comparisons and buckle up for a wild ride. Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The 70mm dash cam M300 boasts a stunning 1296p QHD resolution, capturing every detail on the road with its 3-megapixel camera. It's like watching a movie but with license plates instead of Hollywood stars. Now let's see what the Galphi 3-channel dash cam brings to the table. With its high-performance Novatech chipset and sensor, it delivers smooth 1080p front video, 720p cabin inside video, and 720p rear video. It's like having 3 cameras in one. Next, let's some light on night vision capabilities. The 70mm dash cam M300 features 3D noise reduction and WDR technology, ensuring clear and smooth image quality even in low light conditions. No more blurry footage when driving through a dark tunnel. On the other hand, the Galphi dashcam comes equipped with the f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, delivering exceptional color precision and clarity day or night. And guess what? It even has IR cabin lights, perfect for rideshare drivers who want to capture every moment, even in the darkest of cabins. Now let's talk about parking monitoring. The 70mm dash cam M300 comes with a built-in G sensor, which means it can detect sudden shakes or collisions around your vehicle, even when you're away. It's like having a personal security guard for your car. Meanwhile, the Galphi dashcam takes it a step further with its parking monitor feature. It automatically powers on and starts recording when it detects a collision without the need for a hardwire kit. Talk about being proactive. Now let's talk about storage capacity. The 70mm dash cam M300 supports high-endurance class 10 micro SD memory cards from 16 GB up to 128 GB. That's a lot of space to store all your road trip adventures. On the other hand, the Galphi dashcam has upped the ante with its 2024 updated firmware, supporting up to a whopping 128 GB memory disk. You can store twice as many videos compared to before and 4 times more than other dash cams on the market. Say goodbye to constantly swapping out memory cards. The 70mm dash cam M300 is recommended for its superior video quality, smart features like smartphone connectivity, compact design, ease of installation and use, and value for money. On the other hand, the Galphi 3-channel dashcam is praised for its versatility, exceptional color precision and clarity, and advanced parking monitor feature. Both cameras have positive reviews and offer great options for different needs. And there you have it, folks. The 70mm dash cam M300 and the Galphi 3-channel dashcam both bring some serious firepower to the table. Whether you're looking for top-notch video quality night vision capabilities, parking, monitoring, or ample storage space, these cameras have got you covered. Remember, it's all about finding the dash cam that suits your needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. Until next time, stay safe and buy smart.